2006 Dodge Ram 1500 Ram 15 Thunder Road Edition. I don't know what that is, but okay. Anyways, it's got, we did high flow catalytic converters on both sides. Then we ran 2.5-inch intermediate pipes into a MagnaFlow 18-inch body muffler. Then a 3-inch single exhaust all the way back, right there and right there. And we'll let you guys hear it in a minute. You always want to cross them over like that to add a little bit better flow, cross flow on it. There it is. MagnaFlow, give it a really nice deep tone, not a lot of rasping, just clean. SLT edition. Thunder Road. Hold on.